We've got a shark on here. Want to let him eat a little bit. Oh yeah, he knows he's hooked now. Woo! Hey guys, I am out at the beach again with Tori and Tom. We're gonna try to do some shark fishing and just some off the beach fishing. It is really rough out today. As you can see, the sun is finally starting to come out, but it's a little bit rougher than we had hoped. And I'm gonna be as careful as I can trying to get these baits ran out. We'll see. I'm gonna get these ran out and hopefully we can get on some fish. All right, first fish on. It's really close up here. He's almost in now. Here we go, see what we got. Got a little whiting. Wish it was a pompano or something, but little whiting will do. Yeah, it would be good bait, but a little bit smaller guy. We'll get him back in. So that's the only thing we've caught today. I have two poles that are pretty close. There's like a little trough that's there. It's about like probably 3-4 feet deep. Super rough out today. So when I was running these baits out, coming back in, that's always the worst. It's tough because you can't see some of the big waves that are coming behind you. And I flipped the kayak. I lost my prescription glasses that I use for work. So there's that. Be careful when you're out there. It's probably too rough to go out, but the next week is supposed to be crappy. So I wanted to try it since we're out here. But I would definitely not advise trying to take a kayak out in this stuff. So hopefully we can get something bigger. That's what I'm hoping. I'm hoping for a shark. But we'll see. I will catch you when the action starts. All right, we've got a shark on here. Want to let him eat a little bit. There he goes. Just letting him eat just a little bit. Oh yeah, he knows he's hooked now. Woo! Ooh, he had a good run.
Trying to tighten it for you.
Yep. There we go. Good? Should be fine there. Yep. Thank you. Woo! There he goes. All right, we've got a shark on here. Woo! Thankfully, this hopefully we can land this bad boy. Woo! Yeah! You're good there, Tom. I'm taking a video. Say hi to the camera, Tom.
Alright, you ready to switch?
Yep.
Okay, great. See if you can make a little headway on him.
Yeah. That way we can get him in quicker. That's why he was fighting here. The hook came out and got him in the fin.
Oh!
Woo. Those are teeth. All right, so what ended up happening here is the hook pulled out of his mouth and actually got him in the fin. That's why it was a pain to get him in.
There we go.
Look out.
Hold it, hold it.
Get this bad boy back in the water.
Don't let him go. He'll get me.
All right, yeah. That's awesome.
That was freaking awesome.
Right? 28 minutes total. We got him back in as fast as we could. We left him in the surf. That way we can make sure water's going through his gills. I do believe that was a sandbar again, which is protected in Florida. So you have to make sure you keep him in the surf zone the whole time and get him back about as quick as you can. So that was awesome. Definitely made flipping over in my kayak worth it today, because it would have sucked to get skunked today. I can't wait till my new Avit 80 wide come in, and Andy with Chum 'em Up Charters is actually making me a custom rod for shark fishing. So super excited to get that stuff. Hopefully it'll be here next week. That way we can get them in a bit quicker, and you know, it's not as much of a strain on these sharks. I'll see you guys when the action starts.
I wish I knew.